Hello children, welcome to our maths class. In our previous class, we have started 5th chapter, that is a property triangle and its properties. So what is triangle first property, Anna? Already we have learned in our previous class and we have completed first bit. Triangle properties, triangle sum properties, sum of three angles is equal to always 180 degrees. Sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Sum of three angles is equal to 180 degrees. Sum of three angles means same ravali 180 degrees travel. Now see, we have to check second bit. Find the values of unknown x comma y in the following figures. For second bit, they have given figures. For that figures we have to find the values of x and y. x y values మనకు తెలియదు, ఆ values ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఎలా అంటే సొల్యూషన్ first triangle property ఏంటంటే triangle sum properties, sum of three angles is equal to 180 degrees. Sum of three angles is 180 degrees. Now by adding angle P plus angle Q plus angle R, we should get 180. But madam, here we know only angle Q, then how to find angle P and angle Y, angle P and angle R? See how we will find. Now see Nana, angle R, it is like straight angle. Straight angle should be 180 degrees. ఇప్పుడు angle R అనేది చూడండి ఇక్కడ straight angle. Straight angle అంటే మనకి 180 degrees ఉండాలి కదా, అంటే by adding y and 120 we should get, by adding y and 120 we should get 180 R. ఈ y ని 120 ని యాడ్ చేస్తే మనకు R వస్తుంది. R ఎంత ఉండాలంటే 180 degrees ఉండాలి. That means angle y plus 120 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So angle y is equal to 180 minus 120. Why? Because before is equal to, it is in addition. When it goes to that side, it becomes subtraction. So 180 minus 120 is 60. So angle y is 60 degrees. Here we got angle y is 60 degrees. Now we know angle Q and angle R. So how to find angle P? Sum of three angles is equal to, we should get 180. No, which are the three angles? ఏంటి చెప్పండి? Angle P, by adding angle P plus angle Q plus angle R should be 180 degrees. Angle P is x degrees. Angle Q they have given 50 degrees. Angle R means y. Y already we know that is 60 degrees. So 180 degrees. It is like simple equation. X degrees you have to write as it is. 50 plus 60 is 110 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Here what we have to find? We have to find the value of x. So x you have to write as it is. Then remaining all numbers send to LHS side. 180 minus 110. 180 degrees minus 110 degrees is equal to 180 minus 70. 110 is 70 degrees. So the value of x is 70 degrees. For answers you have to draw the boxes like this. Now x we got 70. It is 50, it is 60, it is 70. Now add sum of these three, we should get 180 now. 50 plus 60 is 110, 110 plus 70 is 180. We got 180. Like that you have to find. Next come to the second figure. Second figure, here we have to find, here we have x, here we have y. Now we have to find the value of this x and y. Solution. First observe the figure carefully. Somewhere you will get one example. మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ బాగా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి, ఎక్కడ మీకు ఏదైనా ఎగ్జాంపుల్ క్లూ దొరుకుతుంది. Here observe this figure carefully. See, these two are vertically opposite angles. I said already in our previous classes we have learned in 4th chapter lines and angles. Vertically opposite angles are equal. So now angle x is opposite to 80 degrees. X degrees is opposite to y degrees. Now when it is 8 degrees, then what about x degrees also? 8 degrees. So angle x is equal to 80 degrees. Why that is 80 degrees? Because vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. So it is 80 degrees. X is 80 degrees. Now triangle sum property ఏంటి నాన్న? By adding angle R plus angle S plus angle T should be 180 degrees. Now you have to write here sum of three angles is equal to 180 degrees. Sum of three angles is equal to 180 degrees. Now angle R is how much, Nana? Angle R is, we know, 80 degrees plus angle S is 50 degrees plus angle T. Angle T we don't know, so y degrees here to write as it is equal to, by adding these three we should get 180 degrees. So 80 plus 50 is 130 degrees. 130 degrees plus y degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Here we need to find the value of y. So y degrees is equal to 180. Only y, write y in left hand side, send remaining all into right hand side. Y ని ఒకదాన్ని మాత్రం left side లో ఉంచి మిగిలినవి right side కి పంపించండి. So if only y is there, so what do you have here? 130. So send that 130 to that side. 180 minus 130 is y is equal to 50 degrees. See, 50 plus 50, 100, 100 plus 80 is 180, like this. When you observe the figure carefully, you will get some, what you will get, Nana? You will get one clue. Based on the clue you have to move. So first one I will explain, second one, remaining all of your homework. So I will explain last sixth one, remaining third, fourth, fifth. Third one directly. 50 plus 60 plus y degrees is equal to 180 degrees. 50 plus 60, 110. 110 plus y degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Y degrees is equal to 110 minus 180 minus 110. Y degrees is equal to 70. Next, fourth one same like second one. Next, sixth one, fifth one same like second one. Now these two are vertically opposite to each other. When it is 90, it is also 90. So 2x, so I'll explain this one also. See, you should write like this. Vertically opposite angles are equal, so angle y is equal to, I am not drawing the figure, otherwise I will draw. It is 90, it is y degrees, it is E, F, G, it is x, it is also x. That means these two angles are equal. Madam, we రెండు x ఇచ్చినట్టు రెండు ఈక్వల్ అని అర్థం. So vertically opposite angles are equal. When it is 90, it is also 90. So angle y is equal to angle y is equal to 90 degrees. Why it is 90 degrees? Here you have to write vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Then now see, vertically opposite angles are equal, so that's why y is equal to 90 degrees. Now by adding E, F, G, we should get 180. By angle E plus angle F plus angle G is equal to 180 degrees. Angle E is how much, Nana? Y degrees. Y means already we know that is 90 degrees. 90 degrees plus angle F we have x degrees. Again angle G we have x degrees is equal to 180 degrees. 90 plus x plus x. Here it is 1x plus 1x. It gives 2x. 2x is equal to 180 degrees. Now 2x is equal to 180 minus 90. 180 minus 90. 180 minus 90 is 2x is equal to 90. Here we need to find the value of x. X is equal to 90 by 2. Why that is 90 by 2? Already we have learned in simple equations. Before is equal, this 2 is in multiplication. When it goes to after is equal, it becomes division. So x is equal to 2 ones are 2 45s are. So the value of x is 45 degrees. That means it is 45, it is 45. 45 plus 45, 90. 90 plus 90 is 180. Understand? Next, sixth question. Sixth one. Question. Now here it is x. It is x. It is x. L E T. The name of this triangle is triangle LET. Now see here, always vertically opposite angles are equal. It is opposite to this one, it is opposite to this one, it is opposite to this one. If it is x, it is also x. If it is x, it is also x. If it is x, it is also x. Now, by adding angle L plus angle E plus angle T should be 180 degrees. Then you have to write here, sum of three angles is equal to 180 degrees. Sum of three angles is equal to 180 degrees. Sum of three angles should be 180 degrees. Now see, that means what are the three angles, Nana? X plus x should be 180 degrees. Madam, all are three x only. Know why they have given like that? Because all the three angles are equal. In a triangle, if all the three angles are equal, then that is said to be equilateral triangle. Any triangles, any lengths equal on the equilateral triangle antaru. కానీ ఇది based on the angles కాబట్టి ఇది acute angle triangle. So acute angle triangle ఏముంటాయన్నా అన్ని angles equal గా ఉంటాయి. So x plus x, it is 1x plus 1x plus 1x. 3x is equal to 180 degrees. X is equal to 180 by 3. X is equal to 60 degrees. If 1 is x, then remaining 3 also x. The value of x is 60, 60, 60. 60 plus 60, 120. 120 plus 60 is 180. Second bit has completed. Find the measures of the third angle of the triangle whose two angles are given below. They have given two sides. Now we have to find the third side. Find the measures of the third angle whose two sides are given below. Exercise 3. Find the measure of the third angle. Find the measure of the third angle. Third angle of triangles whose two angles are given below. Whose two angles are given below. Remaining two we have to complete. 38 degrees, 102 degrees. Now we have to find the third angle. In a triangle always we have three angles, but they have given two angles only. Now we have to find third one. For example, if we have assumed the name of this triangle, it is ABC. Now A they have given as 38 degrees and B they have given as 102 degrees. Then what about angle C they are asking? So we don't know angle C. Then how to find the angle C? By using triangle sum property. What is that property? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C should be 180 degrees. Sum of three angles is equal to 180 degrees. You have to remember how many times I am repeating. You should remember. Sum of three angles is 180 degrees. That means by adding angle A plus angle B plus angle C should be 180 degrees. What is angle A? 38 degrees. Plus what is angle B? 102 degrees. Plus we don't know angle C. So angle C is equal to 180 degrees. 138 plus 102 plus 38 is how much, Nana? 140. 140 degrees plus C is equal to 180 degrees. 102 plus 38 is 140. Then how to find angle C? Angle C is equal to 180 minus 140. 180 minus 140 is how much, Nana? Angle C is equal to 40 degrees. So remaining two problems also you have to assume like this only. Draw the triangle and name the triangle as. Now for first figure I have taken ABC. For remaining two triangles your wish. Take PQR or RSQ XYZ. Take any name and find as it is like this only. Okay. Then in a right angle triangle, one acute angle is 30 degrees. Find the other acute angle. Fourth question. In a right angle triangle, one acute angle is 90 degrees. Then what about other acute angle? In a right angle triangle, I am not writing the question. In a right angle triangle, one acute angle, it is one right angle triangle. In this right angle triangle, one acute angle is 30 degrees. Then what about other acute angle? Now for example, the name of this right angle triangle is PQR. In a right angle, one angle is at Q, we have 90 degrees. So out of P and Q, one angle, I am taking that P as they have given 30 degrees. Then what about Q? What about R? They are asking. So solution in right angle PQR, angle PQR, angle Q is 90 degrees. Here also sum of three angles is equal to 180 degrees. Sum of three angles is equal to angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degrees. Already we know angle P is 30 degrees, angle Q is 90 degrees, angle R we don't know. Now we have to find angle R is 180 degrees. 30 plus 90 is 120 degrees. 120 degrees plus angle R is equal to 180 degrees. Then angle R is equal to 180 degrees minus 120 degrees. 180 degrees minus 120 degrees is angle R is equal to 60 degrees. The another acute angle means below 60 or 60. So 60 it is. 60 plus 30 is 90. 90 plus 90 is 180 degrees. Next, what we have here? State true or false for the following statements. State. Now we have to, based on the question, we have to say either the triangle is true or false. Exercise 3, which bit now it is? 5th bit. Degrees. Next, state true or false for each of the following statements. Now I will say you have to write the answers. నేను చెప్తాను మీరు రాసుకోండి. A triangle can have two right angles. No. A triangle can have two right angles. It is not possible. It is not possible. If we have two right angles, then how that is possible? No, possible కాదు. Right angles అంటే 90 ఉండాలి. కానీ యాక్చువల్గా ట్రయాంగిల్లో త్రీ యాంగిల్స్ని కలిపితే 180 ఉండాలి. కానీ రైట్ యాంగిల్లో 90 ఉంటాయి. రెండు యాంగిల్స్ కలిపితే 180 వస్తుంది కదా, 90 plus 90. సో ఏ ట్రయాంగిల్ షుడ్ నాట్ హ్యావ్ టూ రైట్ యాంగిల్స్. నెక్స్ట్, ఏ ట్రయాంగిల్ కెన్ హ్యావ్ టూ అక్యూట్ యాంగిల్స్. ట్రూ. ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఫాల్స్, సెకండ్ వన్ ట్రూ. ఏ ట్రయాంగిల్ కెన్ హ్యావ్ టూ అబ్ట్యూజ్ యాంగిల్స్. ఫాల్స్. Obtuse means more than 90. How it is possible? No. If it is one is 100, another one is 100, then 100 plus 100 you will get 200. But sum of three angles should be 180. Three angles కలిపితే 180 ఉండాలి. బట్ ఇక్కడ టూ యాంగిల్స్ కే 200 అవుతుంది కాబట్టి it is not possible. False. First one false, second one true, third one a triangle can have two obtuse angles. False. Each angle of a triangle can be less than 60. Less than 60 or 60. False. 60. Next, sixth question. The angles of a triangle are in the ratio of 1:2:3. Find the angles. The sixth question. The angles in a triangle, the angles are in the ratio of 1:2:3. Then find the angles. Here I am not writing the question. Sixth one. Triangles are in the ratio of given triangles, angles, ratio of angles is equal to angles is equal to 1:2:3. Then we have to find the three angles. Then first, sum of the ratio of angles is equal to sum of the ratio of angles is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6. Ratio will get as 6. Now we have to find, by using that ratio we have to find first angle, second angle, third angle. Before going to that, triangle sum property, sum of three angles is equal to 180 degrees. Sum of three angles is equal to 180 degrees. is 180 degrees. So first angle is equal to 180 into first ratio 1 by sum of the ratio is 60. 60 ones are 60 30s. The first angle is 30 degrees. Then second angle is 180 degrees. Sum of three angles is equal to 180 degrees. Second ratio is 2. Sum of the ratio is 6. 6 ones are 6 30s are 32s are 60 degrees. Then finally third angle. Third angle is equal to 180 into third ratio is 6. Sum of the ratio is third ratio is 3. Sum of the ratio is 6. 6 ones are 6 30s are 33s are 90 degrees. The three angles are one is 30, 60, 90. 30, 60, 90. So complete your homework up to 6th problem. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 I will explain in the next class, and we will go to the exterior angles of your triangle. Okay children?